Okay, I'm going to try to make a short video here explaining this Cessna 170B I have for sale. It is a 1956 model with the Horton stall kit. It does have the gap seals and the wing gates. On the leading cuff it does have the VGs. It is running the Cessna 180 lady leg gear with 856's Aeroclastics with the Cleveland wheels and double puck brakes. It is a single piece windshield. It does have the Canadian 2200 floats with the float kit. It has the Lycoming 320 engine, 160 horsepower, with the variable pitch prop. We just had the prop repainted and rebalanced. Try to get a good overview of it. We did take the few comms out of it and put simplified it a little bit and put a GT225 in. Went with a RAM mount for an iPad Mini 6 and went with the AV30C, also with the tail-X beacon in the rear with mode S. It does have the V-brace here, has the map lighting. There it goes, the night mode there. All leather interior. See if I can get some light on for you. Exceptional room. My wife and two kids can both fit in the back seat. I have two passengers in the front. It does have the extended baggage. Then your regular baggage, and then your compartment up front. All very nicely done leather. Try to get everything here. So it does have the VGs under the tail as well. This is the tail-X with the mode S transponder. Get everything in as frame as possible. You look on this side. pretty clean. Again, we just tried to take the old dash and spruce it up. The C-bars work really well for mounting rim mounts. A yoke mount up there. Videos. Turn some light on here. A little harder to see in this hanger, but pretty nice interior. I did acquire these Clamar anfibs to put on the 170. In doing so, they are experimental, and the 170 would have to be put in Expedition Experimental. But I will sell these separately because the 170 does have its own floats. These came off of a WAG Arrow 2+2 Sportsman that grossed $2,700, but Clamar says these can only gross $2,500, so I thought it was a perfect fit for the 170.